Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyami tutorials. So today in this video we'll see what is the difference between iterator, generator and yield. Okay, we'll learn what yield will do in Python. Okay, so here I have a list, my list 1, 2, 3. So it is a iterable, it is a iterator. So when you read its items one by one, then it's called iteration. Okay, reading its items one by one is called iteration. So my list is a iterable. Okay, let's see the output. So we'll get 1, 2, 3. So we are reading items one by one. That's why it is called iterable. Okay. Let's comment out this and we'll go to the next one. So here we are creating a list comprehensions x square for x in range 3. Okay. So my list is the iterable here, and using that iterable we are creating a list comprehension. So we'll get the output as a list. So it is list comprehension also it iterable. Okay. So let's see the output here. So x square plus x in range 3, right? 0, 1, 4. So this is the output. So it is also iterable. List comprehension also iterable. Okay. Then we'll go to the next one. Generators, right? So what is generator? Generators are iterators, a kind of iterable. You can only iterate over once. Okay. Generators do not store all the values in memory. They generate the values on the fly. Okay. So the difference between list comprehension and generator is the brackets. Here, if you uh, write the square brackets, it will give you list comprehensions, and you are giving the normal brackets here, it will create a generator for you. Okay. So generator means it will iterate the values only once. It won't go second time. Okay. And the values are generated on the fly. So if you execute this, you will get 0, 1, 4, right? And when the first time 0 is calculated, it will give the output 0, then it will forget about 0 and it will go to 1 and it will print the 1, and forget about 1 and it will go to 4 and it will print the 4. Okay. So on the fly the values are generated. That is called generator. Okay. So when I try to execute the generator second time, let's see what happens. So when you try to execute the generator second time, you should not get any output because generator executed only once. So here I am giving print two times. So literally, basically you should get the two outputs, but you won't get two outputs because generator will be executed only once. Okay, second time it won't be executed. So let's see the output. So 0, 1, 4. That is from this print. So this print is not executed. Okay, guys. Hope you understand. Then we'll go to the yield. Okay. So yield is a keyword in Python. Okay. Yield is a keyword that is used like a return, except the function will return a generator. Okay. So we use yield in a function. So in the place of return, but it will return a generator for you. Okay. So let's see this function here. Try to understand this function. Create generator. So my list range 3 for I in my list yield I star I means it is returning a generator for you. Okay. So when I call this generator with my generator, when I call this function with my generator, you have to remember that it will return a generator object. Okay. This function body won't be executed when you call this function using my generator. Okay. The function body won't be executed. That you have to remember. So what it will give is a generator object. Okay. So let's see this. So generator object create generator at this location. Okay. So when you call a generator function, okay, it will create a generator object. Okay. So when you call this my generator object using for loop, then it will give the values only once because it's a generator. Here yield is returning a generator. That's why when you use the my generator with the for loop, it will execute it only once. Okay. When I try to execute the second time, okay, it won't give any output second time. Only once it will give 014, that is from this one, because yield I square is a generator where it will be executed only once. Okay, guys. Hope you understand the difference between iterator, generator, and yield in Python. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanu Tutorials for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.